Okay, ladies, I'm going to be doing something a little different today. Today, we're going to watch my Shima Hair Repair shampoo in action. That's right, enough talk. Let's watch Shima Hair Products actually do their thing. Let's go. So I had already started on my hair and applied my Shima Hair Repair shampoo to one side. And then I thought, wait, let me show the girls, let me show the Shima girls how Shima uses this shampoo. So yes, I always protect the style my hair, Shima girls. But now for hair wash day, I'm going to unravel my plait and show you what we're about to repair today with my Shima Hair Repair shampoo. Remember, leave protective styling in place for 1 week to 2 months max. And if your hair is too short for protective style, don't worry. Simply keep it moisturized with my Shima oil and wrap that hair at night with your Shima Girl silk scarves, or use a satin hair bonnet, or sleep on a satin pillowcase, ladies. So here it is, Shima girls. Here is what we're going to repair with my Shima Hair Repair shampoo. As you can see, my scalp is super flaky. So here's the deal. I had gone out of my way and used another shampoo about 3 to 5 days ago. Yes, one of those shampoos that we easily pick up from the hair section of our local Walmarts, our local grocery store where the hair section is. And I grabbed one of those shampoos. Well, this shampoo contains sulfates, it contains silicones, all of the bad stuff that I keep warning you ladies over and over about. But today we're going to find out if my Shima Hair Repair shampoo can make my bad hair day into a good hair day. So yes, let's put it to the test. It's sulfate free, which means it won't soak up as much as your typical shampoo, but can still get the job done with cleansing our scalps and our hair. It's also a protein-based shampoo, okay, which is essential for repairing our hair from all kinds of damage. Also, as you can see, we apply Shima Hair Repair shampoo to dry hair, not wet hair. Not wet hair, ladies. Even though you can do it to slightly damp hair, but I prefer that you apply the Shima Hair Repair shampoo to dry hair. Okay, so apply to dry hair, Shima girls. This technique is a very important step in allowing the shampoo to absorb into each and every single strand effortlessly. Okay, always remember that my Shima hair products are not your typical over-the-counter hair products. My Shima hair products are unique and use extremely high quality ingredients to get black hair into tip-top shape. So please use my products exactly as I instruct you so that you can get the very best results, Shima girls. So are we watching carefully, ladies? Are we observing how I am using the pads of my fingers and firmly but gently pressing the shampoo directly into my scalp? This motion, this technique really helps to lift up all the dirt, flakes, and all that product buildup from our hair and scalps. So be sure not to overlook this technique, Shima girls. Remember, it takes the right products and it takes the right techniques to achieve our hair length goals. So let's sit back, watch, and learn how to use our Shima Hair Repair shampoo the right way, Shima girls. Use as much or as little of the shampoo as you need, depending on the thickness of your hair, depending on how thirsty your hair is. And since my hair is very thick, I'm always going to use a little bit more. Yes, I take my rat tail comb and comb through the spots I want my shampoo to repair. So between the pads of my fingers and my rat tail comb, we are really getting the product to repair what it needs to repair. In my case, all those flakes on my scalp from the product buildup that other shampoo with those horrible sulfates, those horrible silicones, and other bad ingredients that it left behind. Claw clips always come in handy, ladies. Now, we learned this in my live called Invest in Your Hair. Remember that live, ladies? I showed you all of the hair tools we should always keep on hand to help us with a flawless Shima hair growth journey. So now you see how they come in handy, how they help us keep the hair we're not working with out of the way. So let's keep our claw clips, our bobby pins, and things of that nature nearby, ladies. So as you can tell by now, I am really taking my time with this section, and working with our hair in sections is another crucial hair technique to help us achieve a flawless Shima hair growth journey. It reduces hair breakage and hair shedding after everything is said and done. I also hope that you noticed that I did not apply my shampoo all the way to the bottom. I only applied it to the affected areas, which is the scalp and the roots. Now, it is perfectly okay, all right, ladies? It is perfectly okay to apply my shampoo all the way to the bottom. But my technique helps us to save shampoo. And also, once the shampoo begins to get washed off, it still travels down the length of the hair all the way to the bottom, cleaning it beautifully regardless. And so now I am going to finish off the rest of my hair, following the same steps, working on my hair section by section, working the shampoo in with the pads of my fingers and my rat tail comb, and wait anywhere between 45 to 50 minutes before I wash it out. So stick around, Shima girls. Let's see if my Shima Hair Repair shampoo can really deliver on its claims. Okay, I'm liking this. Look at this clean, clear scalp. I sure don't see no more flakes around here. Let's take a closer look. Nope, no more product buildup around here. So as you can see, Shima girls, it took one wash, just one wash with Shima Hair Repair shampoo to repair all that yucky product buildup and flakes. Just one wash was all it took. That's right, Shima Hair Repair shampoo is the truth. You're seeing with your own eyes what it can do. Not only did it remove my flakes and all that product buildup, but it also has left my hair incredibly soft, incredibly manageable, and incredibly beautiful. Come on, let's keep looking at this clear, clean, repaired scalp, because I personally can't get enough here. This is amazing. And also what's amazing is that my Shima Hair Repair shampoo works on relaxed, it works on natural, and it works on transitioning hair textures. And that's what we need. A product that works its magic on all types of afro textured hair. So if we want to relax our hair, it will work. If we have natural hair, it will work. If we want to transition to natural hair, it will work. That's right, Shima girls. Let's remember to Shima oil to maintain our moisture, okay? We're going to Shima oil all of our hair and then proceed with our protective styles. So I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial, ladies. Use my Shima Hair Repair shampoo tutorial to help you use my shampoo correctly. It's very essential that you follow the techniques as closely as possible the way I showed you in this video so you can get the very best results. And well, thank you for watching, ladies, and happy Shima hair growing.